Hello, I'm Sophia, a developer at Sienci Labs. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about the configuration page and the new EEPROM settings view within it. The regular configuration view shows all gSender settings and EEPROM settings together. They're ordered based on their function. So we have things like homing, spindle and laser, rotary, etc. The next view is the EEPROM view. You can change it with the tabs at the top here. This just shows the EEPROM settings. No gSender settings in here. It's in the order of the EEPROM values. So starts at 0 and goes up from there. The search feature and view modified, all of those buttons, it works the same as it does in the regular configuration view. Same with applying settings as well. In terms of EEPROM defaults, we have a profile selectors down here. You just click your machine and you'll be able to set the defaults for these EEPROM values specifically for that machine. That's all on the EEPROM page in the configuration tab. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed today's gSender tip.